Hey everyone, it's affiliate.watch here, and I'm super pumped up and excited to be going over the Doric affiliate program with you. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform where you can find the best referral and affiliate programs in the world. And I'm super pumped up to be reviewing this affiliate program specifically because of the commission structure, where you can earn 40% for the first sale, 10% recurring commission, and it's a two-tier affiliate program. So if you refer affiliates and they earn money, you will also earn money. The cookie length is really good. It's 90 days. The minimum payout is slightly high, but it's not too high. It's $200, and they pay out via bank transfer straight to your bank, and they support banking all around the world. So if you're in Australia, the US, Europe, etc., you can easily be an affiliate for Doric. The company launched in 2020, and it helps people build beautiful websites in minutes without any code. And they were also featured as the #1 product of the week on Product Hunt. So that's a pretty big deal. And I will be going over the platform itself a little bit, and then I will go over the affiliate program and show you guys how you can sign up and start making money. So this is the homepage right here, and it kind of goes over some of the main features. And they provide a few different needs for website creators. One is just a standard static landing page and website. The other is CMS and blog. So if you need a dynamic website and a back end, you can do that with Doric. And they also have a membership subscription feature, so you can charge people on your website to become members. They have over 60 pre-built templates and over 250 UI user interface blocks that you can choose from to build your website, and you can do this all without any code. And also, here are some really cool core features that they provide. So they're going to provide you hosting and a content delivery network. You're going to get free SSL, so your website's going to be over HTTPS. It can easily integrate with PayPal, Stripe, and Gumroad, so you can easily accept payments from your users. And you can also create contact forms and subscription forms, and then you can have them connect to Zapier, MailChimp, etc. And you can set up a custom domain, and you can also export code. And now I will be going over some of the CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System. So if you're familiar with WordPress or something like that, where you have a back end as well as a front end, and you can build dynamic content, that's what a content management system is in simple terms. And I'm going to be going over some of the CMS features with you, just so you guys can see how cool Doric is. So they have a drag and drop website builder, so you don't need to do any code. You can just easily drag and drop a built-in blogging platform. You can easily have member-only content, and you can charge those members to view that content. They have database integration, Airtable integration, and you can have team collaboration. So if you have a team and you have someone who does blogs, someone who does this on your website, etc., you can easily set that up. So you can also launch your blog in minutes without any code, because their CMS also has a blogging platform. It's a super simple and easy to use interface, and it supports SEO and social SEO settings. And you can embed content, so you can embed videos from YouTube, Vimeo, etc. And Google, they have really built their SEO features so Google will love your website and rank it really high, which is very important when choosing a CMS. And this goes over some of their membership features, so you can have free members, you can have paid members, you can have some content that's public, some content that you need to pay. And this is all for a 0% fee. There's no extra fees to have the membership feature, which is really cool. And I will also go over the pricing in a second. I forgot to mention that earlier. And yeah, they have a ton of features, guys. So this is just one of their pricing packages, because this is for the CMS. If you just want the static website content and you don't need the back end and you don't need dynamic content, then it's a lot cheaper. But for their CMS, you're looking at $48 a year, and you'll get a lot of different features. And then if you pay $400 a year, which is the 48 is created for personal projects, and the $400 a year or $399 is created for agencies. And then if you're an agency who needs even extra features, they have a package for $649 a year. and we will go over their pricing page a little bit more in depth in a second. Here is their templates page. So they have a lot of different templates that you can just use straight away, and some of these are really nice. And you can click live preview and check them out. And they support, some of them support the content management system, and some of them, if you come down here, support just for static websites, and then others support static and CMS. And then they also have different categories you can choose from. For example, if we click health and wellness, it's going to pull up some templates for health and wellness. If we click technology, it will pull up technology templates, etc., etc. Now, this is their pricing page. So if we come here, we already went over this pricing earlier, which is for the CMS plan. But if you just want to create a static website, which their platform originally was for, then the beginning pricing plan starts at $0. However, you don't get a custom domain with that. So if you want a custom domain, which I think is important for most people, you're looking at $79 a year. And these are some pretty high ticket items. So for me as an affiliate and for you as an affiliate, there's a lot of money to be made here. And let me go ahead and show you guys how to show up, and I will just go over the commission structure one more time. So it's a 40% commission on the first purchase, and then it's 10% reoccurring commission after that. And if you recruit other affiliates, you will get 10% commission from their earnings. And you will also get a $50 cash bonus for referring your first 10 customers. And this is the application to apply. And this is an independent affiliate program. It's not on any affiliate network. So it's much easier to get started. You just need to put in your email, your first name, the website that you're going to be promoting Doric from, and add your country, and then your password, and then just agree to the terms and conditions, and then you'll be signed up, and the dashboard will look something like this. I haven't started promoting it yet, so my statistics are still at 0, but you'll be able to see how many referrals you have, how many customers, how many clicks, and what your unpaid earnings is. And then this right here just goes over to affiliate structure we already went over. You can add a new lead, and you can also copy and customize your links. And here they have some frequently asked questions. And then if we come here to referrals in the top menu, this is where you'll see all your referrals. And then this is, if you click rewards, it's where you see all your commissions. And you guys may think this dashboard looks familiar. And if there's a lot of independent affiliate programs that are using the First Promoter affiliate software, it's really good software. I highly recommend it. And that's why this dashboard looks familiar. And if we come right here, sub affiliates, so you'll have two different links, and this is important. So if I share this link, this is for normal users. And if I share this sub affiliate link, this is for me sharing it to affiliates, and it'll bring them straight to this page right here, okay? Otherwise, if you share the normal link, it'll bring it to the Doric homepage. And then if we go to payouts, here you'll be able to add your bank account info, and you can see the minimum payout is $200. If you click assets, there isn't any assets yet, but Doric may in the future add some more marketing assets, and they may also consider adding PayPal as a payout option. But for right now, you can add your bank info. You can do it from pretty much every country out there. And I think this affiliate program has a lot of potential, especially because it's two-tier, and it's a really good product, and it's a high-ticket product. So I highly recommend this affiliate program. If you guys have any questions about it, please leave them down below. And if you want to check out more affiliate programs, please check out affiliate.watch. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day.